the Zonda HP Barchetta, an open-top beast with futuristic design language. Its exposed rear wheels, roofless frame, and shimmering blue carbon shell scream rarity. Every inch of the interior is handcrafted, from the exposed gear linkage to leather seats stitched with surgical precision. It's less cockpit, more art installation. Powered by a naturally aspirated 7.3 L V12 engine, it roars with over 750 horsepower. And with a 6-speed manual, it brings raw racing nostalgia into the modern age. Only 3 exist. This car marks the final farewell to the Zonda lineage, a symbol of Horacio Pagani's ultimate vision and legacy. The Bugatti La Voiture Noire, the black car, is a modern tribute to the legendary Type 57 SC. It's a single-piece carbon fiber sculpture in motion, dark and hypnotic. Step inside and enter a cocoon of technology and luxury. Every curve, every stitch is driver-focused, a perfect blend of race-bred tech and grand tourer comfort. Powered by an 8.0L quad-turbo W16 engine, it delivers 1,479 horsepower, going from 0 to 60 in under 2.5 seconds. This is engineering at its most extreme. A one-off creation with no equal. It's not just a car, it's a timeless statement of wealth and passion for automotive perfection. Behold the La Voiture Noire Droptail, a coach-built Rolls-Royce masterpiece sculpted for royalty. With its deep black and crimson two-tone finish and flowing body lines, it redefines elegance on wheels. Inside, luxury reaches a new peak, from over 1,600 wood pieces aligned in marquetry to a custom Audemars Piguet timepiece embedded in the dashboard. This is the definition of exclusivity. Underneath the grace lies raw power, a V12 engine delivering over 600 horsepower, ensuring the Droptail isn't just a statement, it's a performer. Only 4 will ever exist, each entirely unique. The La Voiture Noire isn't just a car. It's a story of art, heritage, and unmatched luxury.